Hello, and welcome to our video series on maximizing your WIC food benefits. Today, we're focusing on yogurt options available for you and your family. Yogurt is packed with nutrients like calcium, potassium, vitamin D, and protein, all important for good health. Let's review how to use your eWIC benefits to buy yogurt. You can buy any flavor of whole, low-fat, or non-fat regular or Greek yogurt in 24 to 32-ounce containers, as well as single-serving yogurts and yogurt packs in 2 to 6-ounce sizes. For information on the WIC-approved brands, visit the food list in the EasyWIC app or on the website at azwicfoodlist.com. Imagine your family balance summary shows 64 ounces of low and non-fat yogurt issued and available. You can view your food balance in the EasyWIC app under the eWIC card balance section. The ounces available will update as you make purchases. Using the example of 64 ounces issued and available, you could buy any combination to total 64 ounces. For instance, you could buy one 32-ounce container and one 8-pack of 4-ounce yogurts, or one 16-pack of 2-ounce tubes, one 4-ounce 6-pack, and one 6-ounce single serving. You don't need to buy everything in a single trip. Purchases can be made anytime during the benefit month. Not all brands are available in every store. Check your family balance summary or the EasyWIC app for your specific food balance, as yogurt may not be included in every package. We hope this information will improve your grocery shopping experience. If you have any questions about food items while shopping, contact the Arizona WIC Shoppers Helpline at 1-866-927-8390 or email at azwicshoppershelpline@azdhs.gov. For questions about the food list or how to use your eWIC benefits, contact your local WIC clinic.